We'll guide you through how to use Dehancer in DaVinci Resolve to enhance your video projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and make sure you have your project loaded and ready. Head over to the Color page by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom of the interface. Once you're there, you'll want to add a new node to your node tree. You can do this by right-clicking in the node area and selecting Add Node. Then choose Serial to create a new node. Now, with that node selected, go to the OpenFX panel on the right-hand side. In the search bar, type in Dehancer and you'll see the Dehancer plugin appear in the list. Drag and drop the Dehancer effect onto the node you've just created. Once applied, you'll see the Dehancer interface appear in the inspector on the right. Here, you have a variety of options to fine-tune your look. Start by adjusting the film profile, which emulates different types of film stock. Next, you can tweak the grain, halation, and bloom effects to get that authentic film look. Don't forget to experiment with the print options to adjust the color density and contrast. Take your time to play around with the settings to see what works best for your footage. If needed, you can go back to the Edit page to see how the changes affect your overall project. Remember, subtlety is key, so make small adjustments until you're satisfied with the look. Dehancer is a powerful tool, and with practice, you'll be able to create stunning, cinematic visuals. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.